Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to my second video for today. This one's all about OLSP. It's about my journey with OLSP. You'll notice that I've been doing I've done a couple of videos today now that's talking about my journey with certain systems. The reason for this is because I just want to, kind of touch on my journeys a little bit more this year, and kind of go through my journeys of what's working for me right now. What can work for you and things like that. So before we get into it, first of all, if you want to join OLSP, the link is going to be down in the description in the comments section. I do put my links down there all the time, so if you're ever interested in what I'm showing you guys or anything like that, you can always check that out down below. Also, you can check out the link that goes to my own personal website where I do educational blogs, and I also do reviews on certain systems and whatnot. So you can check that out. It's my own personal website. It's a WordPress website, and I always do reviews and blogs there. So let's get into it. It's been a bit since I did anything about OLSP itself. I did do a video, I think it was in January or something like that. I had started back full-time with OLSP. I had actually quit for a bit, but I've started back full-time with them. I've been offering this system for January, so 4 months, I guess. It would be about 4 months or something like that, or 5 months. But anyway, so over the 5 months, I've had some slow months, I've had some good months. Last month was really good, and I've got places where I'm offering it outside of what they teach you in OLSP, but I've got different things that I'm offering it on and things like that. But in this video I will talk to you guys about some bonuses that I got where I do talk about my traffic sources and things like that, where you can offer the OLSP system and things like that. So yeah, inside those bonuses I just kind of give you guys, I think I give you a link to the Facebook group inside of OLSP. They do kind of advertise that on the front page here too, but when you join, you can go through that way, but I also do just kind of give you a link to it there. But I also talk about some of my traffic sources and give you guys a link. I think it's to my top traffic sources for OLSP and things like that. So that's kind of, something I put together for everyone. So there is that. So OLSP has been great so far. Last month I had a really good month. I was actually in 50th place, I believe. May, I think I was in about 50th or 60th place. And then January I won the affiliate contest, which I did do a video on, I believe. I can't remember exactly, but I know I talked about it in one of my videos where I was actually the 12th place winner in the affiliate contest. Now, if you don't know what the affiliate contest is, let me go to it really quick. And it was actually my very first affiliate contest that I ever won, and I was pretty proud of it. But anyway, this is the contest, or sorry, this isn't the contest, my bad. What is this? This isn't it. What am I looking for here? So I think it's my points, yes. So this is the contest every month that's running. Basically, you get a chance to earn anywhere from $50 in 20th place all the way to first place, which is a prize of $10,000, and then second place gets $3,000, third gets $1,500, fourth gets $1,000, fifth gets $500, and sixth gets $400, 300, 200, 150, 100, and then 50. Now I was in 12th, so I got the $50 one. Like I said, it was the very first affiliate contest I've ever won in my whole time of being an affiliate marketer. This has been an amazing run because I looked at that contest when I first came back and I was like, oh, I don't I don't know if I'll ever win that. Like, you know, I thought it was out of reach, and then the very next month I actually won 12th place, and I was like, oh my goodness, I can't believe I won. I was so shocked. And one of the places I was offering OLSP at the time, I was actually doing a campaign, was inside of my lead gen secret, and that's where I was offering it partly to that, and then I was also bringing people into my own personal list and offering it, and it was just wild. I was like, wow. I was kind of mind blown, and yeah, so it was pretty amazing. So I did get 12th place. That was pretty cool. My goal is to eventually get up to one of the higher ones, and I almost made it again. I can't remember. I think I started out strong last month. No, sorry, not last month. It was May, I think. Or, not May. Sorry, this is May. It was probably March. One of the months, anyway, I started out really strong again. I was like in the top 20, and then I ended up dropping back. And it kind of sucked, but it is what it is. I mean, it was fun. It's always fun. And I've actually enjoyed OLSP very much. There's been some updates since I did my last video talking about OLSP, but there's been some new updates and things, like they've now got tracking links. You know, you can promote other offers now, like some of these things. I'm not going to say all of them, because there are some that you still can't promote as a mega or a mega link level, but I think these ones you can offer as a mega link, but I know from Magic Link for sure and stuff like that. Yeah, the journey through OLSP has been amazing though. I've enjoyed it. Here's my all-time commissions up to this time. You'll see that I'm only at 20 points so far. I haven't made any sales yet. I'm just kind of getting back into offering OLSP again and stuff like that. Or not getting back into it, but I'm still offering OLSP in some of my autopilot traffic sources and things like that. Just waiting on more sales right now, but that is fine. If I go into my commissions, I'm just going to pause for a second because I have to get the commission section set up. You'll see that I have $149 again in unclaimed commissions, but I'll show you where I'm at for all-time commissions in a second. So as you guys know, I'm very secretive when it comes to, or not secretive, but I'm very confidential when it comes to, you know, anything that shows anyone's name. And you'll see down here it says customer email. You know, I don't like to show other people's emails and things like that. But here's my total earnings since January. I've earned $359.55. I've gotten some recurring commissions from. This is where this is where OLSP is great, because there are times where you will literally be sitting there and people will go and get some of the recurring commissions items and things like that. You know, I've had that happen, and it's been amazing. It's been interesting because, you know, there's been times where I come in, I log in, and there's like a sale sitting there that, you know, wasn't from someone just signing up to OLSP. It was something like they bought the Magic Link, or they bought one of the recurring commissions, or things like that. So, you know, it is working autopilot. It's working the way that Wayne says it works. It works when you do. This is not a quick fix. I have to say that. Sorry. I have to say that because with everything online, you cannot expect to make money overnight, right away. You know, so if you're looking for a push-button system that gives you online income, it does not exist. Stop looking for it and go get a job, because that's probably the best thing you're going to find to give you money quickly. This requires work. It requires consistency, and I say this in most of my videos. Like everything that I ever show anyone online, it all takes consistency, effort, hard work, determination. You know, you can't just have success in one day or whatever. But this was over, you know, even the last 3 months. It's running on autopilot. I've done a few different autopilot things that are keeping commissions coming in. It's been amazing. So it's, you know, for me, it's been minimal work because I've got, you know, certain traffic sources that are seriously autopilot that you will get access to, I think, when I have to look at my bonuses again, but I think I do in my bonuses give you my traffic sources as well when you're ready. If you're not ready for that kind of thing, then you don't have to go to the link right away, but eventually, you know, check it out, and you will see, you know, you will get access to my traffic sources and stuff, which does run OLSP in the background. It's kind of cool. So, you know, it is making commissions and whatever else. But yeah, my journey so far has been great. Like I said, $359 since January. I won the contest in January. It was great. I'm going to keep going because this is an amazing system. So if you want to join OLSP under me and get those bonuses for my traffic sources and things like that, you can sign up down below. That's all I got for you today. Make sure you share this video if it's helped you. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the bell notification, and subscribe. And also make sure to help me grow the community, because this is our community. It's not just mine. You know, and I greatly appreciate the work that everyone does when it comes to sharing my videos and things like that, and the support I get. It's just amazing, and I want to thank you guys for that. Truly, from the bottom of my heart, I really am appreciative of it. You guys have helped me grow a lot in just a year, and I'm appreciative of that. My next goal is to hopefully get to 1,000 people, or 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 community members. You know, we're all a community, we're all in this together, and that's what I want for everyone. Make sure to check the video that's coming up on the screen. That is a recommended video that I recommend to you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.